Hengwang HW22D Bulldozer adopts high-strength chassis structure and mechanical transmission system. The working device adopts hydraulic pilot control, is equipped with a new generation of drilling system to bring you a better construction experience. According to various operating environments, working devices such as blades, reapers, traction frames can be configured, and customized designs can be adopted to fully meet the individual needs of customers. Power system. It can be equipped with heavy-duty Cummins engine. The rated power of the engine is increased to 170 kW. It has strong power, excellent reliability, and higher fuel economy. Hydraulic system. Equipped with a quantitative gear pump. The operation is controlled by a mechanical linkage and a servo valve, and improves the overall energy efficiency ratio of the operation. Realizes the perfect match between the torque converter and the engine. The efficiency of the hydraulic torque converter can reach up to 87%. The fuel consumption rate of the rated working condition is reduced by 4.5%. The maximum torque is increased by 5%. Realizing power, efficiency, and energy consumption best match. The ergonomic hexahedron cap has the advantages of large space, small vibration, low noise, equipped with electronically controlled hand and foot accelerators. The operation is more precise and more comfortable. Standard high-end interior decoration, combined with heating and cooling air conditioners, provides a more humanized driving experience. Maintenance is convenient and fast. HW22D Bulldozer has a wide range of applications. Different versions have been developed for different working conditions such as coal mines, deserts, soft ground, forest logging, extreme cold, sanitation and rocks. To meet the diverse needs of customers. Do business, choose Hengwang. Will make your business prosperous.